Pandit Dayal Upadhyay to Patna via Sakaltha, Dildarnagar, Buxar, Ara is standing on platform number 5. Passengers are requested to take their